5 foods that superpower your brain. You'll never believe number 5. Number 1. The walnut. Full of omega-3s, antioxidants, and other lit stuff you need, plus they improve memory and cognitive function. Number 2. Salmon. Legit super brain food. Packed with omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, even shitloads of protein, plus other nutrients. Number 3. Dark berries. The darker the berry, the sweeter the juice. Loaded with antioxidants, these little bad boys, this are your brain's special force unit, protecting your super brain from damage. Number 4. Not gonna lie, without this, I can't function. Coffee. Not a food and more like a drug. Caffeine improves focus, memory, stamina, and keeps you alert like a drug. Number 5. Dark chocolate. Oh yeah, baby. Chocolate increases blood flow to the brain and other areas, if you know what I mean.
Wow.
Plus, it's a natural high, boosting endorphins like crazy. Hey, don't forget to like, share,